this is Learning with Love. This is my brother Christopher, and this is my mom. And we're going to be doing some homeschooling things and giving you ideas for if you want your kids to homeschool too.
Well, it looks like we're all homeschoolers now. As of the last couple of days, things have changed a lot in the country. And we are a family who has actually been crazy enough to be homeschooling already before this crisis. And we thought that maybe at this time, we might have some things to share with you to help you guys out to make your homeschooling journey successful for the next couple of weeks. We're going to start with the scariest subject for many.
Math.
Do you guys like math?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. What do you guys use for math?
Splash Math.
Okay, what is Splash Math?
It's a app where you do math and you get to earn fish.
Ooh.
And lions and big birds and elephants and giraffes and squids and crabs and angelfish.
Cool. And Catherine, what do you have going on?
I'm doing my math.
Okay, what kind of math is this? Ooh, cool. It's got a drawing pad so you can write out your math question right there as you solve it. 259 times 4. Yikes. Catherine's showing our strategy of multiplying by 9s. We can share that with you if you need it.
Wait.
That's all right. I see. So you're carrying the... All right. And what does that have to be?
And comma. And then there has to be a 1. So...
1036. That's what she thinks. All right. Did you get it right?
1.
Man, she got it. Very nice, Catherine. I like it. All right. All right. Now, Christopher, show me what you're doing.
I'm playing with the animals and lions and stuff.
No, how did you get those animals?
By earning them with the math.
By earning them with the math. Okay, Catherine, can you show us the awards? Oh, I see. So you got awards and then you spent them on these cool animals. So overall, guys, do you have fun doing math?
Yeah.
All right. Can you wave goodbye?
Bye.
Catherine was so nice to introduce me. Thank you, babe. We enjoy Splash Math because it's actually very, very simple. That's the program that I use most, although there are many, many others, and any program you use I think is fine and great.
You could also use Monster Math.
Right, we have a lot of other fun ones, but right now I just thought I would introduce one math program that we like. For parents, I suggest a couple things. One, I suggest keeping it really, really small. So I suggest doing one section or even just a 1 star per day, and that's it, and then quit. And then moving ahead, but with personal instruction in a very short period of time, keeps their focus really good and keeps them having fun with it. So lots of love to you, so much love in this time of chaos and uncertainty, and we hope to have a little fun with you guys on this staying at home journey.